Hello lovely people, welcome back again in this last lesson of this course. Today we're going to review the 3 scales and arpeggios that you've learned, and I will connect these and point you to the next piece that you might be learning, and I'll play that new piece for you at the end of this video, so hang in here right until the end. We're going to do some technique first. So we're wrapping up with revision of our G, D and A major scales, but we're going to do them slightly differently today. So we're going to start on the G major scale, but we're going to play a different rhythm on this scale, and what I'm going to play is this. And that is the rhythm that we're playing on each note of the scale. So what is this? I call it a peanut butter sandwich. If you say that word in your head, you'll find it much easier to play this rhythm. So it consists of 4 short notes in the middle of the bow. And then you go to the point of the bow and back to the place where you started. And then you're ready to play the next note of the scale, which is the first finger on G. And the next note. Practice your pinky here as well. Well done, really good. This is a very common bow stroke that you find in many pieces. So if we already play that rhythm on a G scale, which we already know, you are well prepared for any piece that you're going to be playing. Next up, we're playing a G major arpeggio, and the arpeggios we always play with long, steady bows. Here comes our arpeggio, and... Lovely job. So whenever we play new pieces that we've never played before, or where we're playing in the early stages of learning this new piece, look out for scale and arpeggio patterns. And that is why we put so much emphasis on playing scales and arpeggios, because sections of the scales and arpeggios are going to come back in your pieces. So it's very logical to combine those scales and arpeggios with your pieces, you see. Next up is our D major scale, and I'm going to practice a different bow stroke on my D major scale, and I'm going to play long, short, short, long, short, short. I call it a strawberry raspberry. And what that means is this: I'm starting on a straw, whole bow. The berries come at the point of the bow. And now a rasp, same note, berry at the heel of the bow. Now we're placing a first finger on the D string. Strawberry, raspberry, second finger. Third finger. amazing. Really well done. Next up is the D major arpeggio. And next we're playing the A major scale, and we're going to play a long A at the start and a long A at the top, and the notes in between I'm going to play short bows either at the upper half or at the lower half of the bow. In this way. And now I'm going straight down and leave the fourth finger out. Will you join in with me? And long, upper half. Long bow, lower half. That is awesome playing. Let's now play the A major arpeggio. Here we go. And you are doing fantastically well. Really, really good practice. From here, you can use the knowledge that you have in the scales and arpeggios in the pieces that you're going to learn next. And one possibility is to play a concerto. I've already mentioned in an earlier lesson, you can grab any book with nursery rhyme type tunes. Obviously, we want to keep the rhythms fairly simple at this stage, not to make things unnecessarily difficult. But if you fancy, you might have a go at playing a concertino. And a concertino is a piece where the violin has the leading part and it gets accompanied either by an orchestra or a piano part. So if you have a friend who plays the piano, go and explore this piece together. And this is the piece that I am suggesting you have a go at next. There's a video of this piece as well, and I'll put it here. So if you want to have a go at that, find it there, and it's also at the end of this video. So Kuchler Concertino in G major, Opus 11 in the first position. So have a go at that if you want to explore something a little bit more challenging. And you have done a wonderful job getting this far. I'm hoping that you have enjoyed this course and that you have made a very good start with your learning. If you do, then please consider becoming a member of Henriette's Violin Club. And there is a video here that tells you all about it, and you can access it right here. Memberships support creators like me on YouTube and enable them to keep on creating more videos. So that is one of the reasons why you might join, is support this channel. Memberships come in 3 different levels: bronze, silver and gold. The membership perks involve special badges, special emojis, access to the live classes where you get priority in asking your questions, but also in the silver and gold memberships you have got access to more advanced videos which are exclusive to members. So go and check out this video and you will know a lot more about it. Let me play you a section now of the first movement of the Kuchler Concertino so that you get an idea of what you might be letting yourself in for. Here we go. so it goes on. So if this is something that you fancy, do check out this next video here, and that is how you might progress. So have fun playing your violin and let us know down below this video how you are getting on. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your playing.